Hi, I'm Will Carconi from Cars on Demand. One of the most challenging diagnostics on our vehicles today is noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH. With tighter tolerances and specifications creating improved ride qualities, this can be very disconcerting to a vehicle owner when they occur. Diagnosing vibration concerns can be very difficult and frustrating for both the customer and the technician. Cars on Demand's vibration diagnosis lesson will introduce technicians to diagnosing and repairing NVH concerns. Throughout this lesson, we will show technicians how to identify the problem area creating the vibration and isolate it using efficient procedures when solving NVH nuisances. We'll identify and perform common repair techniques to resolve the concern. Technicians will come to understand how to use electronic vibration diagnosis equipment to assist in isolating the concern. Participants will see live usage of a vibration analyzer in different view modes to measure frequencies. We will perform a frequency test on a known good blower motor. Knowing the proper frequency will go a long way towards determining if there was a fault with this unit. On low, there is no real frequency detected. But as we increase the blower speed, we see the motor has a frequency of 25 Hz. This 25 Hz is the natural frequency this known good blower motor creates during operation. If the motor had an imbalance issue, it would be much higher. This is one of many views on the analyzer that is available to help pinpoint vibration faults on vehicle systems. Throughout the lesson, participants will also learn about diagnosing different levels of vibrations, such as a half-order vibration, using the analyzer to take a snapshot. We will simulate this type of vibration by inducing a misfire into our demonstration vehicle. To begin, we will first connect our vibration analyzer to the data link connector. Then, the accelerometer of the tool is placed on the seat track. In the principal component display menu, we start the engine and create a misfire to induce a vibration. Under possible source, we see 0.5 order engine. We take our snapshot so we can review it as we continue our diagnosis. Going back to the menu, we select Replay Save Data. From the replay screen, the analyzer will produce a list of possible causes, narrowing our search for the root of the vibration. Our full vibration course, along with hundreds of other automotive-related lessons, are available to Cars on Demand participants at carsondemand.com.